In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Squarespace site styles if you want to quickly change the overall look and feel of your Squarespace website. This is a very simple process. Site styles control the visual design of your site, so this is where you can adjust things like colors, fonts, spacing, and other design elements that affect how your website appears to visitors. The good news is that you can access these settings in just a couple of clicks. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the site editor, look toward the top right area of the screen for the paintbrush icon. This icon is what opens the Site Styles panel. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you open that section, you'll see the styling options for your website. This is where you can begin making the visual changes you want. Depending on your template and version of Squarespace, you may see options for updating your color palette, changing your typography, adjusting button styles, or fine-tuning the spacing and layout of different elements. As you make changes, take your time and review how everything looks on the page. It's a good idea to keep your branding and readability in mind, so your site stays consistent and easy for visitors to navigate. One helpful tip is to make changes gradually rather than updating everything at once. That makes it easier to see exactly what each adjustment is doing and helps you avoid creating a design that feels cluttered or inconsistent. If you're testing a few different looks, pause for a moment after each change and preview the result before moving on. Once you're happy with the updates you've made, click Save. This will apply the new site styles and update the appearance of your website. If you leave without saving, your changes may not be applied, so make sure you complete that final step before exiting the editor. And that's all there is to it. To update Squarespace site styles, open your website, click the paintbrush icon in the top right, make your changes, and click Save. It's a fast and effective way to refresh your site's design without rebuilding anything